Hey, my sisters, welcome to my birthday vlog. I start the day off by sleeping in. Can you believe that? And then I got up, did a little self-care, and I especially gave thanks today because I am celebrating another year of life. Then it was off to one of our favorite spots for a cozy brunch date with my husband. It was the perfect way to kick off my birthday celebration. The fun didn't stop there. I ran into a fellow birthday sister and we had the best exchange of birthday wishes. After that, I ran a few errands because we know adulting and running a business does not take a break. I even had to pick up some over-the-counter meds because my sinuses has been kicking my butt for the past few days, but thank goodness the medication gave me some relief. But the highlight of my day came later. I headed to one of my favorite spots, the park, where I soaked up some of the sunshine I prayed for because we had a lot of snow the weekend. And also, I got in a little bit of writing. But on my way to sit down to write, something amazing happened. I found a dime on the bench. For those of you who know me, you'll understand why this was so special. My grandmother, who passed away in 2018, always leaves me dimes as a sign that she's still with me. It was the perfect, beautiful little sign to end the day. Thanks for celebrating with me, everyone. I'm feeling so grateful and a little bit more connected. Until next time, you be well. Take care.